Ayimile i-ANC nemizamo yokuvala umkhonto wesizwe njengoba namhlanje bezikade ziphushana enkantolo enkulu yaseThekwini. Iqembu-ke le-ANC namanje lisamilapho lisakhala ngokuthi-ke umkhonto wesizwe i-trademark yawo. Umnumzane Jacob Zuma usebenzise igama namandla omkhonto wesizwe ukuze kusebenzele yena. Angiqale ngobingelele ngamukele le channel eMazwedi Mina Production okubingelelayo umxolisi Mfana kaDlomo. Uma ngabe uyaqala ukufika ngicela ukuthi ngenzele iqiniso lothi cofa subscribe, maqedwe kwale video ushaye like bese uyakhomenta lolu daba lonamhlanje. Ngenza kwethu namhlanje bekusenjalo enkantolo enkulu yaseThekwini, njengoba uzokhumbula ukuthi-ke ngaphambilini iqembu le-ANC like lazama ukuvala umkhonto wesizwe ngokuthi-ke bathi umkhonto wesizwe uyinto yabo, bethi-ke abanayo inkinga bengaqamba noma ngabe liphi igama abalithandayo, kodwa leli lithi umkhonto wesizwe liyinto yabo, njengoba kuzokhumbula ukuthi-ke umkhonto wesizwe wawukade ungumbutho wamasosha wokuvikela ingqalazinda ye-ANC iminyaka yo-1980 ngeminyaka yo-1990. Kwathi-ke ngonyaka ka-1993 uma ngaphosisi i-ANC yaseke uvala, yaseke isiwuhlakaza ngey'nhlelo-ke zokuqeda ukulwa nokuqeda-ke i-apartheid, njengoba-ke usubuye umkhonto wesizwe suyiliqembu lepolitiki elingahlangene ne-ANC. Wathi-ke umnumzane Jacob Zuma ngabe umemezela-ke mhla ka-16 December 2023 i-ANC yabe simphuthumise enkantolo-ke nokuthi-ke izama ukuvala imusa-ke enkantolo-ke yase-Gauteng nasenkantolo-ke yase-Pretoria, okuyilapho-ke yafike yahluleka khona i-ANC. Njengamanje-ke isibuye-ke nemizamo udaba isilifaka-ke enkantolo yaseThekwini. Ngicela ukuthi-ke uyizwele ukuthi-ke belihamba kanjani namhlanje.
Also found with respect that by adopting a similar mark, which is all the section requires, so it's similarity and confusing similarity are different concepts. The MK party sought to do precisely that which the SCA found to be objectionable in Cape Cookies. In other words, they took unfair advantage of the power of attraction, the prestige, and the repute of the Umkhonto Sizwe mark. And they, we all know that power of attraction had been built up over a considerable period of time, with a considerable investment of, not money in this case as much, well, it is some money certainly, but in terms of the struggle. And and what Umkhonto Sizwe has done is chosen to adopt that mark as its own. It's effectively taken it so that it does not have to build up its own legacy. And we submit that is a clear example of taking unfair advantage of a well-known mark. My Lord, those, obviously the passing off, the Lordship found that you were unable to determine who owned the Umkhonto Sizwe mark. We submit respectfully, most of the submissions that are made to you were in fact based on the respondent's evidence. And what is not in dispute is that the ANC is at least, and we say we are the sole, but at least a joint proprietor of the goodwill. There may be other organizations like the PAC, but a joint proprietor is entitled to bring a passing off claim.